Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to enable and disable vibration in sent mail on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and go to Sounds and Haptics. And after that, go to Sounds and Haptics Pattern section, then choose the Sent Mail. Then after that, click the Vibration. Then in the vibration, if you want your vibration enable, choose a standard vibration in this part by putting a check mark on the side. And your vibration in sent mail is enabled. And if you want to disable the vibration in sent mail, just scroll down and go to None and select it by putting also a check mark on the side. And your vibration in sent mail is disabled. And that's it. We have successfully enabled and disabled vibration in sent mail on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.